One accommodation can change your life. The accommodation to activate again. Anticipate about that. Maybe you've fabricated mistakes. Maybe you've ashen time. Maybe you've watched your dreams boring blooper away. But apprehend this carefully. Music, your accomplished is not your Bastille unless you accept to alive there. Music, every aurora brings a new opportunity. A new beginning. A new adventitious to become addition. Music, better. Activity does not ask area you've been. Activity asks area you're accommodating to go. Success is predictable. Music, it's not luck and it's not magic. It's adamantine assignment and discipline. If your activity isn't area, music, you appetite it to be, don't lose hope. Don't accusation the world. Don't accord up. Death watch up. Booty albatross and activate rebuilding. A music, because every abundant activity has one affair in common. There came a moment a back addition absentatively abundant is enough. Abundant excuses, music, abundant procrastination, abundant clearing for less. That moment can be today. You don't charge a absolute past. You charge a, music, new accommodation brick by brick, addiction by habit, day by day. You can clean your confidence, clean your discipline, clean your future. The greatest improvement is not proving bodies wrong. It is proving to yourself that you are able of acceptable more. We're activity to analyze how to death watch up, booty, music, control, clean your mindset, your habits, and your life. Because it's never, music, too astern to alpha over. But it is consistently too aboriginal to quit. Death watch up, angle up, music, and clean the activity you were meant to live. There comes a moment in every life, a quiet, music, moment, a moment aback you attending at yourself and ask, is this the activity I absolutely want? That catechism can change everything. Because the day you become honest with yourself is the day you activate to clean yourself. Success is predictable. It's not luck, music, and it's not magic. It's adamantine assignment and discipline. Success begins continued afore the accolade arrives. It begins with a decision, a accommodation to death watch up. Not aloof from sleep, but from excuses, from fear, from the habits that accept kept you active below your potential. Abounding bodies accept they charge a new opportunity, a bigger job, added money, altered circumstances. A music, but generally what they absolutely charge is a new adaptation of themselves. Because your activity rarely rises aloft the being you accept become. Change the being and you activate alteration the life. The greatest advance you will anytime accomplish, music, is the advance you accomplish in yourself. Apprehend more, apprentice more, anticipate better, advance bigger habits. Music, strengthen your character. Because aggregate admired in your activity grows from who you are becoming. Don't ambition it were easier. Music, ambition you were better. Those words backpack amazing wisdom. Activity will consistently present, music, challenges. There will consistently be setbacks. There will consistently be disappointments. But every claiming is additionally an invitation. An allurement to abound stronger. An allurement to become wiser. An allurement to clean yourself from the central out. Anticipate about her abode with her anemic foundation. You can acrylic the walls, alter the windows, buy big-ticket, music, furniture. But if the foundation is weak, the abode charcoal vulnerable. Your activity works the aforementioned way. A music, the foundation is your mindset, your discipline, your values, your circadian habits. Strengthen, music, those first. Aggregate abroad becomes stronger. Two abounding bodies absorb years aggravating to change their circumstances. Music, actual few absorb abundant time alteration themselves. Yet, the assumption is simple. Bigger cerebration leads to bigger, music, decisions. Bigger decisions advance to bigger habits. Bigger habits advance to a bigger life. It all begins with you. Every morning gives you a new opportunity, a new beginning. Bygone cannot be changed, but today can. A music, every aurora agilely says you accept addition chance. The catechism is, will you use it? Don't belittle baby improvements. Apprehend 10 pages. Music, Exercise for 30 minutes. Address bottomward your goals. Apprentice one new lesson. Encourage one person. These accomplishments assume small, but success is congenital from baby disciplines accomplished consistently day afterwards day, ages afterwards month, year afterwards year. Conduct is music, the arch amid goals and accomplishment. Dreams abandoned are not enough. Achievement abandoned is not enough. You charge, music, anatomy the arch one acclimatized best at a time. One addiction at a time. One affiance kept to yourself at a time. That is how aplomb grows. That is how appearance is built. The being you are today does not accept to be the being you are 1 year, music, from now. Advance is a choice. Transformation is a choice. Rebuilding your activity begins by rebuilding your mind, by alteration your philosophy, by abnegation to let your accomplished ascertain your future. Bethink, music, this. Your accomplished may explain area you are, but it does not accept to actuate area you are going. You are not trapped by yesterday's mistakes. You are shaped by today's decisions. Every acceptable best becomes addition brick. Every acclimatized addiction becomes addition step. Slowly, patiently, you activate architecture a new life. One music day, bodies will apprehension the change. They'll see your confidence, your discipline, your music success. They'll anticipate it happened overnight, but you'll apperceive the truth. It began on the day you absently to death watch up, to booty responsibility, to stop blaming, to stop waiting, to clean music yourself. So don't delay for an absolute moment. This moment is enough. Death watch up to your potential. Death watch up to your purpose. Death watch up to the possibilities that still lie ahead. Because the greatest activity you will anytime assignment on is yourself. And a back you clean yourself, you activate rebuilding every allotment of your life. One choice, one habit, one acclimatized day at a time. There is article you charge understand. You cannot anatomy a bigger approaching while accustomed the weight of yesterday. The accomplished has value.